Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been filming a lot lately. Sorry if we're shaking. My cat has decided that she's going to walk on the table now. My internet's been wonky. We finally got it hopefully back up and running where I can actually upload a YouTube video, without it taking 18 hours. The last video that I did was the Rich Lux, come here, Gypsy. The Rich Lux palette, and which was very cute. But that's the last video I did, and I haven't even watched it since it's been up on my channel to see if it even uploaded right. It took probably 13 hours to upload. I don't know what was going on with my internet, but we had to have the guys come out and our internet satellite, and we had to have them come out and retweak everything and change channels. But anyway, today I ordered from Jeffree Star, his little sale that he had going on, and what I remember I ordered was the purse, the bat purse that was from last year, mystery boxes. I bought the other two boxes, but I didn't get the one that had the purse in it. So anyway, here's the box. And I think, I can't remember, I ordered those little surprise things for $6. I think I got 3 of them. And this shipped pretty fast. Let me get this cut open. Okay. We don't want to stab my cat in the eye. Come here. Stay off the table. Come here. What are you doing? This is Gypsy. She's a brat. Alright, Gypsy, what'd we get? Okay, so right on top, oh, that's very pretty, is a card. That's really pretty. I don't know what collection that's from, though. On the back, it has the lipsticks. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It has the nice orange Halloween paper. And more paper. And more paper. And more paper. Alright, so let me look at my... What did I order? I ordered 3 mystery treats, the bat purse, and the velvet trap pure hell. So here's the bat purse. I'm really excited. I know they were exclusive items, which is a little upsetting, but if he's not going to do mystery boxes anymore, I appreciate being able to get this. I couldn't afford all 3 boxes last year, and of course the one that I didn't get had this in it, and this is just so cute. Alright, so there it is. There's the orange emblem and a metal zipper. Lots of room in there. Very cute. I don't know if this is a purse or a makeup bag. I think I'm going to use it for a makeup bag. Alright, and then I ordered the velvet trap in pure hell. Anyone that knows me knows I love Halloween. And I like to do makeup looks, and it was very disheartening to not have internet in the month of October, of all things, for almost 2.5, 3 weeks. So there's, oh my goodness. You're banging into everything. There's the velvet trap, pure hell. That's pretty. Isn't it pretty, Gypsy? You want them? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. I like the component to this. So we'll put that back in there. Alright, so my little mystery things are down in here, wrapped up in red paper or orange paper. So, what did I get? So, paid $6 for each of them. And the first thing I got was a velvet trap in kumquat. Okay. I'm not damn it. Not familiar with that color. It's very pretty though. Very Halloweeny. Looks orange. Oh, I like it. It's orange. Like a pumpkin orange. Oh, kumquat. Those are those little orange things. I dropped the other part of the box, so I'll have to get that. It's nice. And my second thing is a liquid lip in designer blood. I'll open it from the bottom. It looks like that. This is one I don't have. Ooh. Very pretty for Halloween. I feel a vampire. Oh, it smells good. Look, Gypsy. Isn't it pretty? And a phone ring. I'm not sure what that is or how to use it. I guess it's kind of like my ring light, but for on your phone. I'm not disappointed. At least I got 3 different things. How does that work? I guess you're supposed to peel that off and stick it on your phone. I better look this up first. Anyway, this is what it looks. What it looks like. I'm not sure how to use it. I'll have to go look it up. I guess you stick it on your phone. Wear your phone like a ring. I don't know. I will have to look that up. And I will get back to you on that. So that was it. Just a little short unboxing. And I wanted to let you guys know what's been going on. I am going to try to take part in a collab with Char from Char Fashion Nation called Sinister Sisters. I'm hoping I can get something put together. I'm a little confused on exactly what I need, like what to film. And anyway, I'm glad you came to my channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm thinking about doing some other unboxings. I have some stuff ordered out on Amazon. Some Halloween stuff. And I'd like to do a couple Halloween looks before October's over. And that's about it. I mean, other than that, I know I could have been filming looks and then just waiting for the internet to get fixed before uploading them. But when I get into a tizzy like that with my Asperger's syndrome, it just throws me. Like when something goes wrong, I'm a very routine person. I don't know if you know Asperger's syndrome is a form of autism. And when something goes wrong and throws a chink in the chain, it just sets me for a loop. We've had a bunch of things going on. Besides the internet, it's just been one thing after another. My fiance got back surgery, and it's been a little crazy this last week. We all came down with some kind of upper respiratory virus right on October 1st, and it wasn't COVID, which is good. We've already had COVID, um, but we're all on the mend, and everything's looking good. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.